Welcome to Mobile Legends! Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang higawan dyan? Salamat po! Wetitet! Sabi kang duet! Wetitet! Ang sobrang sikit! By the way, my name is Maria. Maria sa umaga, Maria sa gabi. This is Jimar, Boston of Steel, representing from the hometown, Barangay Malabon.
Today, we celebrate beauty and empowerment. But this time, we celebrate diversity, inclusivity, and equality. Sa layo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba hinyawan dyan? Thank you po. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. To the honorable honor judges and everyone who is watching, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a fresh and innocent. I'm a 20 years old scholar. All the way from Tarlac City. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay walang bakal? Ako yung one na nag-iisang baby girl ng Tarlac. This is Queen Rona J. Arjona, proud and honored. Bakit ang nag-iiwan ng isang katagang ang karangalan niyo ay umiting matamis? Magamang, nagsawad dyan sa Corpus. Pero kung nanay niyo palaging galing, siya! Tama yan! Sa song is, again, Rona Arjona, and I. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. This is Chelsea Mariana, 20, representing Bulacan.
Sa nilayo-layo ng aking pinanggalingan, ang baba ng hari. What a glorious and respectful evening to each and everyone. In front of you is baptized by the real name of Gerald Dado Bayani. But tonight, since this is a function, may allow somebody the name and nag-iisang Queen of Tumbas. Yes, this is your Queen, Bolog 24, fresh and proud, dignified, from the Barangay City, Huragas. At ngayong gabi, alam ko na ating mga Huragas sa gabi dito ay kawan ng mga endodonte at idolado. Kaya sige bilang kandidata, ibigay po natin ang 100% ng respeto sa pagpapakilala. Debatid ko ngayong gabi, 50% sa nanonood ngayong gabi ay pawang kabataan. Kaya ibigay po natin ang 100% ng respeto sa pagpapakilala. Ngayong gabi, mag-iwan ako ng isang kasabihan, hindi po bastos, pawang at katotohanan lamang po. Nalagay naman kami sa inyong umagahan. Yurakan naman kami sa inyong panangkalitan. Ngayong gabi, mula rito hanggang roon, tagahanga lamang namin po kayo yan. Once again, please, when I was your glance so loud, I want to end my introduction by saying, I love you all and enjoy the night. Thank you.
People of Barangay Malabon, are you okay, everyone? Oh my God, hindi gutom na kayo. Sige, uwi mo na kayong challenge. Hello, good evening. This is Angel Paint Season 22, proud representing Las Piñas City. And everyone, before I end this introduction, I just want to take this to enjoy and have a good sleep, everyone. Thank you.
Good evening, Barangay Malabon. This is Maria Sasaya Francisco Tino, 18, proud kung sa egg dakol ang kailangan patalunan ng kutsilyo, hasaan. Unang kumanang dakol ang balay, kung maski sa dito ang balay ng amon, ang importante, dakol ang dagat-dagat, lagoon.
Leave your marks in people's mind if you want to be remembered. But leave your marks in people's heart if you want to live forever. Good evening, Malabon! Standing in front of you is a third-year English language student from Bicol University. This is Kiana Moana Marie Preston Scott, all the way from the land kung saan finally ginagawa na ang tulay Kilita!
Catalyst of change. Good evening, people of Barangay Malabon. This is Queen Benny Malaka Ingwa, honored and dignified to represent my very own Barangay Hinakayan, Daraga, Albay.
Sa layo-layo ng ating pinagmulan, ang bago ng Nay. This is Barbie Army Cuevas, 23, proud and honored to represent Bombay, Camarines Sur! Bago ko lisanin ang apat na sulok ng entablado ito, gusto kong malaman nyo na sa buhay ko marami akong motto. Pero ngayong gabi,